What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to Expression Culture here with me, Gareth, Honda Guru. I'm back. Well, I'm doing one video at least. Guess who else is back?
Hello!
Today we're going to be fitting some Recaro seats to a Honda CRZ. Woo! So here's Dixon's CRZ. I'm sure you've seen it before. Here are his seats. Black Recaros. What are they? SR5?
SR5, yeah. SR5-Speed apparently.
Alright, I
The
don't know.
exact variant.
I've no idea what the difference of that is.
It'd probably be like a stitching in the...
Alright.
Because this has yellow stitching, which is pretty cool. Check that.
Oh wow.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, I actually really like them. Also looks like the previous owner had a dog.
It's a cat.
Oh, cat. Oh, is that your cat?
Well, I think his cat's, but...
Yeah,
I'll get a lint roller on that at some point.
I really do like the yellow. Is that? Oh, it's a transfer, so that's a bit faded, isn't it? Right,
Yeah.
Anyway, so rails. There is, what are they rails? Yeah, they are.
They are the rails, yeah.
That's the left side. That's the right side. If you need part numbers. Where'd you get them from? RHD. Of course you did.
The only place I can find them, to be honest. All the other ones were like the J's ones, or you know, like for the side mounts, or actual proper bucket seats. And I'm like, I don't want a fixed bucket.
And I guess torque couldn't help.
I never deigned to contact them. I just thought, fuck it, because I've seen it on RHD Japan. I've ordered them from them before and
Yeah.
myself.
Yeah, the trouble with torque sometimes, without trying to slate them too much, is they want their margin as well. It's a business at the end of the day, isn't it?
Absolutely. So.
Right, so what I'm going to do, we've got a slight bit of wind, you probably already can hear that. I think it's about 13 miles per hour at the moment. You can probably see it on the bags actually. Been blown about a little bit. He's being a GT. He has, as I've just found, a noisy check strap. But he has the factory leather. Fucking hell, they're quite cracked and everything. Do you actually treat them? No.
No. To be honest, not really.
No.
Not since I've owned the car.
No.
Because it was always my intention to sort of to change them out.
Yeah, fair enough. It does make more sense for you. You've always been quite track focused. Yeah, so we're gonna obviously take these out. If you need a set, are you gonna sell them? Or are you gonna keep them if you put them back stock?
I'll probably keep them just in case. I mean, I know my friend, again, my friend who I got into a CRZ was looking at changing, swapping his
This is a sport.
seats. His is GT as well.
All right.
So he was thinking that, well, because his aren't in that great a condition.
Oh, right.
So I might swap these with his,
Fair enough.
essentially. So then I'll just keep his kind of crap ones.
Fair enough. I was just gonna
I'll have to speak to him.
do a bit of a cheeky plug there if you needed to sell them.
We'll see where we go with that one though. I'm not sure in a minute.
Yeah, your interior needs a bit of a detail. Anyway, so these are coming out. 2 bolts, one there, one there. I think I can just about see it on the camera. Slide them forward. You got one under that carpet, one over there, and then you'll have a series of connectors. You'll have more on the driver's side, I believe, for the seatbelt buckle, to make sure you put your seatbelt on. He's also got heated seats, and then there's I think there's the one for the airbag. So yeah, because it's windy, we shall do a time lapse of me putting this together. If there's anything really important, I'll stop and show you that. But effectively, they come with instructions on all the hardware, we hope. Yeah, we'll get putting these together, build up the bases, make sure everything's good first before we take the other seats out. There's the wind, bastards. Right, I've just noticed that I'm going to need to take the other seats out first. I was hoping to build these all up first before taking these old ones out, but I need the seatbelt buckle off his standard seats to swap onto these rails. So I'm going to do that first. I'm not going to carry on recording this bit because it's probably going to be, fuck it, I'll put another time lapse on. There's the seats out. You can see how clean this gentleman is. Yeah, the seats are quite considerable in weight difference between the two, aren't they?
Yeah. You know, it doesn't look it, but it is quite a hefty thing. But then that's probably because it's got like airbag in there.
It does have an airbag in it, yeah.
And stuff as well.
So we need to get this bit off of it, get that wiring loom out because we'll need that as well. I'm not going to film that. These are, they come with a load of bolts. These are the ones you need. These are the longer ones, the 30mm ones. 5mm Allen key, or hex key, whatever I want to call it, on this model seat. 6 there, little crush washers, and then these are the basics. Clean. Clearly a smart thing to do. So one of them, one of the washers, start getting them all started first. See? Simple. What?
That's an advert I've not seen in fucking ages. You know.
Oh, the old Meerkat?
Yeah.
Is it Meerkat?
Yeah. Well, compared to market, but yeah.
Oh yeah, compared to Meerkat. Sample that and you made that 100% windproof. It's just going to go every time it farts. That's better. I've only gone for the 3/8 because the 1/2 inch will probably just snap them. I don't know why. There we go. This one's always been a bit of a fucking mess. That's so much easier. Yeah. Those bottom two ones are quite a bit bastard to get hold of. What I ended up doing is using an Allen key with a ball end on it, and then tightening it up. Yeah. So what I've used, hopefully this gets focused, is a ball ended one. So I've got in slight angle, gone like that, and then tightened them up at the end. So that's now, the rails are now attached to the seats, all nice and lovely. Get that back in the same place as the other side. So now I've just got to attach the seatbelt buckle, make sure the wire is all tucked away, and then that one can go in the car. And we can make sure that you can actually still see over the dashboard.
The problems of being small.
Yeah, well I have the opposite problem. My head hits the fucking roof. Actually it doesn't on CRZ. So that's the old buckle on there. The wiring we're going to tidy up in a second, but I just wanted to show you something. Now these are made by Nick Allen in the CRZ group. He's actually, I think he actually is the one who started the group. That will go in there, and that will clip in like that, and that will stop the airbag light coming on. Sorted. And then this one, if you've got heat seats you won't use.
I have not let myself go, you cheeky shit.
Well, that's going on YouTube.
Oh no! I'm filming for YouTube.
Oh dear. Yeah, that's alright, we'll send you some money. And then this one goes to the seatbelt buckle. Right, boys and girls, we've got on with it. Just gonna move that fucking board out of the way with it. There we go. What do you think? They look fucking lovely. Bolting perfectly. Very, very nice. What do you think?
Yeah, really nice. Like, I first got the seats and I saw the yellow stitching and I was like, that's very bright, because a lot of the accents in the CRZ's blue, so I'm like, is that gonna work? But now that they're in the car,
yeah, I like them as well. I was just saying to Dixon that the new what is it, GR3? The GR3? I can't remember now. The current Jazz, they've now got the Sport Advance, and all the stitching on that's yellow, on the steering wheel, the seats, door cards, I think. It looks fantastic, and it's kind of got that vibe. But yeah, it really does look nice. Very impressed with it, to be honest. I think he got himself a bit of a bargain there. I mean, don't get me wrong, Recaro's used always cost a lot of money. But yeah, I mean, yeah, the video hasn't been that informative, but it's all pretty basic, to be honest. As long as you know what model seats you've got, you read the instructions, it tells you which fixings you need, and then it's pretty self-explanatory. You know, you've got two up the front, sort of about here, one at the rear. You slide it forward or backwards to get to each one. You attach your buckle, you make sure all the wiring's done, and that's really it, to be honest. Obviously you need that resistor, so hit up Nick Allen if you're in the UK, on the UK CRZ owners group forum, whatever it is. I am on there. I don't go on there too much because there's too many keyboard warriors these days, and if I say fuck or bugger, I seem to get banned. Yeah, so my CRZ's down there, my HRV's there, my Civic ain't there, and my CRV is in a field somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, they do look nice. They feel like a lot more supportive as well.
absolutely, especially here, because that's the one thing that lacks on the original seat, was on its side there. And especially down here too. This is where I had a lot of like lateral movement when I was firing it around Bedford Autodrome, and when I did Brands Hatch last November as well. I turned in hard and then I'm like way over fucking here somewhere.
Yeah, it doesn't help you got leather, so you would have slid on them.
Oh, exactly, and that really didn't help either. I mean, when it gets really stone cold and you put the heated seat on, really nice. But that's literally the only...
Yeah, but they've got the wiring in for that.
Yeah,
so that's something we can look at in the future.
But then the thing is that I kind of find the heated seats you only really want on leather seats, because they're going to go stone cold, whereas fabric doesn't get affected by that so much. So it's nice that these have the heated elements in them, but I don't think you really need...
They're only in the base though.
Yeah.
And in my opinion, it's really, you want it on your lower back.
Yeah.
I really like your jacket, by the way.
I've had it for years actually. I just haven't really had much occasion to wear it, apart from when it's just... when it gets really cold.
Kind of reminds me of an old B-15 jacket.
I mean, I mainly bought it because of the colour, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, of course.
It's just this flat green sort of thing.
OD7.
It's lovely. And then it's got a microfiber lining, so it's super warm as well.
Nice.
So, but again, it's just that you wear it any other time of the year apart from now, it sucks because you get too hot.
Yeah, I get hot in everything. I mean, fucking hell, I come out here in a hoodie and now I've taken it off. Yeah, I mean, I've got A2 jackets, I've got B3 jackets.
Yeah. The only thing I can't understand though is why do they need so many zips?
Superdry, I've always done that though, haven't they?
I don't know why.
Yeah, so sorry about all the lack of content. People that know me locally will know that I'm very heavily involved with a World War II airfield museum. So that's why it's taken up a lot of my time. That, and I spent a lot of time in Normandy, France this year for the 80th anniversary. I'm going back next year, not for the 80th anniversary obviously, because that would have been this year. Be 80 years that the war actually ended in Europe next year. That's why I'm going in May rather than June. But I'm going to try and do more stuff. It's not out of the fact that I don't enjoy it or I don't want to do it. It's not even ultimately it's the time. It's more I just haven't had anything to film. Yeah, I fitted a Apple CarPlay unit on my HRV the other day, but because I'd not done it on one of those cars, I completely winged it, and although I got it all right, it's but just from doing, you know, research on plugs and stuff like that, I found it all. But it was a pain, and that's really why I didn't film it. Not only that, it was fucking raining that day, and so I just sat in the car and conquered it. The wind's picking up again, so I'm going to end this video here. Hope you've liked the content today. Hope you stick around. Thank you to all my followers that have supported me over the years. Well over 2,000 followers now, subscribers. And hopefully that'll keep growing as I start doing more content again on the CRZs and the other Honda. It'll mainly be the CRZs though. That's most of my followers are here for the CRZ content. But yeah, I'm going to try and get into doing some more stuff with mine. I've got still lots of parts to fit. It's just more, I haven't had this like garage time to fit it. A lot of the stuff that I've got, it's not stuff I want to do on the floor. Not only that, but it's like bushes and stuff, so I need to have a press really to do it. Getting the old bushes out of the bastard. New ones are easy. I've got a load of Powerflex stuff still to fit. And I want to do my interior at some point. I'm going to completely redo that, all custom. I'm probably going to just reupholster the standard seats because I'm quite happy with the standard seats. But yes, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Check out the sponsors on the intro and the outro, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.